your friends like SWV. Took the week out and left it short. It's still a
Yo, what's good, family? How y'all been, man? It's been a long time since I last vlogged. It's going on 5 months. I last vlogged in December. It is April 5th, bro. It's been a long time since I actually vlogged, and I'm sorry about that. That's a long story. It's not even a long story, but that's a different story for a different time. Today I went to this spot called The Brew. I recently just got into coffee over the time of Lent season that I've practiced in Lent. Instead of energy drinks, which I don't drink in the first place anyway, I decided to start like testing out coffee and everything, basically for the health benefits and all that stuff, and seeing what it actually feels like will it make any change, will it adjust my body and everything like that. And I started to learn not even from the feeling of coffee, but from just the benefits that you get from it in general. The benefits that you get from it on your kidney, your liver, reactivating. And I actually quit drinking in general. Like I was telling people before, I don't know if I will ever drink again or something like that, but as of right now, I'm just not vibing with drink. And I feel amazing that I don't even participate in that stuff like that, but it's cool. But anyway, I headed to this spot called The Brew. I just typed in like black coffee shop, and that's something that I was interested in as well. I see all these Java shops and everything like that, and I wanted to go and check out a black coffee shop, and it's called The Brew. It's on 71st and Yates. It's a nice place in South Shore where they are now building up in an amazing way. So shout out to everybody that's actually lives around this area. This is a place that, this is South Side where I came up, what we call over east or whatsoever. 64th and Drexel, being on 66th and Whipple and 64th and Drexel. This is not too far from there. This is a 5-10 minute drive to get to 64th and Drexel or whatsoever. Now that I got my coffee, I'm finna head out. We finna start barbecuing today. Today is gonna be a decent day. So now we finna head to this grocery store real quick, grab a few things, grab some more charcoal, and then after that, light up this grill, man, and get this day started with this barbecue. So cheers to y'all, man. Hey, let me tell you, that coffee, on point, fire. But I will say, like, if you're drinking coffee, be careful. Like, if you're drinking coffee straight in the morning, be careful, bro, because if you have nothing in your system, like, I would say make sure you eat some food with it or have some food before, because if you just drinking coffee just straight and you ain't got nothing in your system, that's when the jitters kick in, bro. And sometimes people be adding also, like, the additives, like, they have, like, sugars, flavors, and all that stuff in there. That's where them jitters come from. You already have caffeine that's coming from coffee, so that's gonna wake your body up already. So be mindful of that. Make sure you have food and stuff in your body and all that stuff, or drink some water or something like that, because you don't want to go insane. You don't want to have jitters like that. You know what's crazy though is that you got a lot of people that's out here, like all the fathers that's out here doing the same thing I'm on. We're about to get on the grill, grab a bag of charcoal, get some grub, put it on for everybody, and we say the same thing. We're gonna be the last ones to eat. You cooking the food, you're gonna be the last person to eat. Just make sure you cook some food, cook enough food to put your food to the side and tell nobody touch your food, bro. Yo, real talk, I became a fan of this Lily's hot smoky barbecue sauce, Kinder's barbecue sauce, and of course, naturally in everybody crib, Sweet Baby Ray's. But all right, I think I got everything I need. Actually, no, I don't. I still gotta grab some chicken broth for the wife. I gotta grab chicken broth for tea. Gotta get an onion, a whole tomato. So I got one more spot to hit up real quick before I actually clock out. But luckily, seeing that it's Sunday, bro, I thought that it'd be deeper than this. The lines ain't that intense, so I should be good. All right, so I don't eat meat. So a lot of people would normally be like, why you always on the grill? But normally I like getting on the grill. I mean, it's stuff that you could cook, like the Impossible Burgers, Impossible Links and all that stuff, Beyond Meat and all that stuff. Other than that, I usually like hopping on the grill so I can get a food to my family. Like for real, like my sister-in-law, my brothers, my sisters, my mom, dad, mom-in-law, pops-in-law, and stuff like that. I'd rather cook for them. I love cooking for them. That became like my new hobby, for real. So I'd rather hop on a grill. If it feel good outside, I'm gonna hop on a grill in a heartbeat, bro. This is actually some type of fun that I do that's outside of like working out, shopping, or something like that. This is normal family stuff that I'm really into when it comes to being at the crib. I will hop on a grill in a second, even if the food is not for me. I just like, I guess you could say, I just like, that's my way of nourishing other people's soul. That's my way of giving back through God. That's my way. Hey bro, crazy work. I thought I was gonna do this manual car wash because all the car washes for Easter is shut down. That's crazy. I never experienced that, never noticed that. That's insane. It's crazy work. Never seen that like these systems was shut down like that. So it tweaked me out. So I wanted to come here and do like one of these manual washes. I never did one before. I might do another one on another day, but now coming here, bro, it costs you 12 quarters. That's $3. But I'm saying you have to actually get like manual quarters, like not putting in singles, not putting in, not like a swiping a card. It's 12 quarters, bro. That's tweaking me out. So I'm like, nah, I'm not finna go ahead and go through all that to go get 12 quarters. I ain't about that, but it is what it is. I'm gonna come back on another day, wash this car. I don't know. I always wanted to do one of these, but I'm just salty that I can't do one now. But let me go ahead and get back to the crib, bro. Women's basketball, women's college basketball especially has been going crazy, bro. It has been going crazy, like legit leading the way. I'm glad that women are getting they just due when it comes to basketball because they actually got work. They putting skills on the court, and you know WNBA they just got they bumping their salary. People getting millions instead of just a couple 100,000, while people in the NBA getting 115 million cap and all that. I get it for like men and women and all that stuff, but now we are women putting their feet on people's necks now and they handling their business. So shout out to the ladies that doing their basketball gig. All in all, man, I had a good Sunday, man. I got to cook some food, got to handle our business, be on me and T got to be on you know, auntie and uncle vibe, hosting the family barbecue and everything like that. My baby is cooling. I even lost her voice and everything, but she cooling right now. Avi is taking her nap upstairs. So yeah, man, we cooling, we vibing. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. I'm back to creating. I feel like I got my creative flow back, and that's what I've been looking for. And I'm glad that I'm able to get back here in this thought process because I was trying to figure out where was I gonna go from here when it came to creating YouTube videos and everything like that. Like what did I want to do and where did I want to go? But now that creative juice is back and I'm ready to get going. So y'all tune in on the next video. Thank y'all again for watching this video in full, man. And if you like the video, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all follow me on all social platforms. And with that being said, I'll catch up with y'all next time. All right, I'm out.